What up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Devon Duncan. We back at it with another one, man. This one gonna be a good one. Wait, before we start, make sure you hit that like, comment, share, and subscribe. That thing, you already know the drill. But anyway, oh yeah, and make sure y'all turn on the notifications, man. Come on, run them numbers up, man. Hey, and I got my first YouTube check, so yeah, we turned up. For real. But anyway, we're gonna keep it on subject. But this one gonna be a good one. Remember that y'all already read the title, so I ain't even gonna. That MC we picked up about a year ago, we've been waiting. That EFI kit been giving my brother hell, but you know, we got that situated. It ended up being a bad EFI kit, so we had to switch it out, get that thing slapped on, get it tuned, and that thing running, man. You know what I'm saying? Now we finna go see if it's running. He say he could beat me, but we gonna see if he could beat the Elko. I don't know. I don't think so. You know, I'm ready. I'm willing to put some money up, whatever. But he got a 383 in that thing, and we finna go check it out. So just follow me, man. Just a second. Y'all remember that MC? They got a 383 in it now. EFI kit on it. Yeah, that mug sound good too. Ooh. He nasty. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah. He getting it together. Snake, can you start it one more time?
Huh?
Can you start it one more time?
Hold on, let me start it back.
Hey, I don't know. I think you sound the best. I like how that motherfucker sounds.
What up with it?
Getting that thing right. You got that. He got that sniper, the little screen thing. I don't know what it is, but this thing nice. You need to mount that mug like right there. Yee!
I don't know where I would put that thing in.
You got them headlights?
Yeah. I been got them.
They in?
Nah.
I ain't know you ordered them.
Huh?
I ain't know you ordered them.
I ordered them a long time ago. I told you I ordered them.
Alright, big money, my bad.
Yeah, they been in this car before I bought them.
Hey, he trying to get this thing together. What? I know y'all remember that reason. That thing, man. Alright. That thing nasty. Ooh, Gen 5 life. Yes, sir. That mug sound beefy. That thing sound nice. got that 383, we gotta get that suspension in there, ran in there. He gonna be out of there. Look at it, sound good. He think he rolling. He ugly as hell. That thing clean. Hey, that thing be floating. That thing sound mean too. You hear him down here? He float that thing. Let me catch up. Let me catch up. Y'all think he can beat the Hemi? I don't know. I don't know. Look at him. Look at him. He trying to do it. He out of there. Hey, he dipping that thing. Right now. I'm all on the side trying to record. Well, slow his ass down. I can't keep up too long. You know me. He float that thing. Hey, man. Feel that power, man. Make you want to float that thing. You know, we, chopping it up right quick. You know, put a hood on, put a new hood. He got a new hood for it. Auto metal direct. Chop it up right quick. Yeah. We're gonna see what it look like in just a second. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. See that detail? Hold on, let me show y'all the EL5 kit right quick. Let you know ain't no carburetor on that boy. Yeah. EL5, you see it. Sniper game, you see it. Oh, I might need two hands for this. Let me see. I can't see. Hold up. Let me pause this right quick. Alright, we got everything on. We broke a boat. Well, I broke a boat. Now this is team effort. But just put this in, we done. Y'all be asking me why I don't work on cars. This is why. This is why I don't work on cars. Beat my knuckles up every time that wrench slip. Y'all know how it goes. But it ain't nothing though. It ain't nothing heavy. He finally doing some work, you know. He light skinned. He don't be doing that much. You can use the gun for that. Unless you, well, never mind, probably too much.
I ain't trying to break another bone. Oh, shit. I gotta put that spring out there too.
I'm gonna show y'all the final fitting. It ain't all the way perfect on the lineup, but you know, it'll do for now, as long as it's on for now. Anybody need an SS hood? You got one. What you trying to sell it for?
Come get that motherfucker.
Oh, you can have it for free. I ain't shipping that though. Y'all gotta come get that one. I'll bring it to you. I'll pull up on you in an L coat. No, I'm lying. But for sure, hood, I think you got a little hail damage. Let me check it out. Yeah, it got hail damage. But it's free though. If you ain't got no hood, you got a hail damage hood. I'd rather have hail damage than no hood at all. Hey, there you go. Look, that damn bolt that they, that's why it ain't sitting all the way down, sitting flush, but that's just that bolt. That broke. It ain't sitting flush on this side either, but the little light skin didn't want to tighten the last bolt all the way down. Look. That thing look good. But anyway, man, we got on up in there. Got on in the garage, pulled mine out, and that's about it, man. That's about it for now. I think he said he gonna do the body work next. No, he said he gonna do a roof. He gonna do a roof next. Then he gonna do the body work. I don't know what's from now. Probably the suspension, I think. Maybe the wheels. I don't know. It's up to that man. Interior good. It's a little dirty in here, but interior good. But man, yeah. That's about it, man. You know, we trying to get these things out. I got a couple more cars that I want to record through the process. My other homie, he got a short bed, and my other partner got a what he got, a Camaro. I want to get that little process too. You know, everybody try and get ready, but I don't think they gonna make it for the summer. I don't know. Don't be cussing me out, y'all. But anyway, till next. Well, never mind. Hold on. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all share it. Make sure y'all comment, like, do all that. Make sure you subscribe, man. Subscribe. Run it up. Till next time. Peace.